Hey, what's your thoughts on the so called, what is it called, for video games? Is that what's that called? I've heard, from the grapevine and stuff, they've been saying things like that. They've been saying games, video games, VTubers. You know what I mean? It's quite incredible when you break it down. It's like, what are these? What are these so-called fabled video games? I just don't know. What is it like the radio star? Like, the one video killed? That radio star? What if video games killed the radio star? Did you ever think about that? No, because you don't think about anything but yourself. Do better. You mean stuff like Pac-Man? Fortnite, like 2 weeks, that Fortnite is every 2 weeks. Like that. Chicky, thank you for the 6 months. What the fuck is a femcell game creator? What is that? What is a femcell game? What is a femcell? When you break it down, isn't everything a femcell game when you think about it? I think Fortnite's a femcell game. Video games killed the TV star, movie stars, all the stars, and that's a good thing? Including the ones in the sky? I hope not. I don't know what a lot of women would do without those stars, Color Trinket und Fortnite! Yeah, Fortnite is definitely an incel game. Can it be a femcell game if it's also an incel game, or are those mutually exclusive? I'll put it up to the audience. Also, hi Mappa, hi Berzin, hi hi Hinata, hi Zora, hi Thomasy, hi Alright, hi Wizard, hi Crespian, hi Avlister, hi Jinzu, hi Onyxus, hi Tricky, hi Granzel, hi Jinx. Hello. Hola, hola, hola. Hola. I'm glad she's not gonna use one of those anti-woke video game engines. Can a video game engine be woke? Experts will be here to discuss it momentarily, okay? It's a tool. It's like, is my hard hat woke? I don't think so. It's a hard hat. I think that's a weird thing. Can a sword be woke? Is it a woke or anti-woke sword? Let's ask ourselves that. What would you say? Which one would you say it is? Because sometimes I think people just be saying words, I think sometimes people are just saying words. Maybe we shouldn't be saying words. Maybe we should be thinking words instead, But QV, will you accept $1 bajillion from certain investors to make you... Yes. Thank you. Don't need to ask me twice. People are slogan brains, yeah. I know you've only heard about video games, gamer girl. Shut up, what the hell? Minecraft is a great movie, but I think the video game tie-in just isn't as good. I would say so too. I think Chicken Jockey was the original, and then they made the game based on it, right? Hi Kiwi, I saw you live on YouTube too. Yeah, I've been mostly streaming on YouTube for I don't know how much, maybe 3 months now. I'm not sure. She was replaced. Hi, Jax! So really cool hat, thank you. It's my construction worker hat because I'm a constructor. Do you know what I construct? Right now, it's video games. Tomorrow, houses. What's next, you know? You really can't predict it. I'm quite the unpredictable individual if I say so myself. I'm quite wacky and quirky. Manic pixie dream girl even. What can I say? Perhaps I'm Ramona Flowers. But I don't have BPD, I'm sorry. Holy shit. YouTube, my consideration for you dropped ever since I found out you stream on YouTube. What's wrong with YouTube? This is the first time I've ever seen someone go multi-streaming. How dare you? Can you rebuild my life next? No, but I think if you played like Scribble Notes or something, isn't that like the slogan? Like draw my life? Actually, I don't think it is. I think I just made that up. Can you construct a function? Yeah, function in my house. Everyone Donka, none of you are allowed in. Doors locked, windows closed. Also locked. Bonky, what? Don't buy. Do you have any strawberry dreams, monster? No, but I drank some recently. I only have like energy drinks mostly if I'm outdoor. I don't really drink that many. Also, hi Sukuji. How does a social construct? It's real! It's on my head! You guys are a social construct. None of you are real. It's all in your head, okay? It's all in your head. I don't think so. I think farming simulators and OTOE are femshell games per excellence. They're just women games. I don't think it makes you a femshell. I think they're just games for women, you know? Everyone be playing Animal Crossing. Everyone plays Farmville. I don't know why I'm into Farmville instead of Harvest Moon. Like, I don't think anyone plays Farmville except, like, middle-aged mums. How wick, you be so high energy for what? What the heck? Just like gotten 20 hours of sleep? No. I just wasn't like... I just was, like, pretty free today. So, I was, like... I went on, like, a walk, so I'm kind of, like, awake again, I think. Although I was really tired. And then I feel alive again. I'm gonna put it all down to my walk. It was a beautiful walk. That was lots of walking. They don't have knockouts. Is Kira a construction worker now? Is she just a firm? Huh? Why? Because I'm a I never heard of that before. Like... Oh yeah, like construction. I don't think that's a thing here. I don't think that's a thing. See, the issues with YouTube is that it makes the streamer sound schizo, like she reads comments from nowhere. They're at the bottom. They're at the bottom of the stream. They're right there. Can you see them? Right there at the bottom. There's words. You ever seen words before? They're all around us. Look with your eyes, and there's a lot to see, you know? All around the big, wide world, you know? And like God, he's got the whole world in our hands, and in that world, there's words. And on YouTube, there's words. And on my stream, there's lots of words. In fact, I'm speaking them. It's English, you know? Best language in the world. My streamer brings proper PPE to our streams. Amen. Amen. Gotta turn up to site with all my PPE, or I know a boss man will send me home. My turn on and safety codes violations on construction sites are you Is Neopets FAFSA coded? No, it's millennial coded. There's a difference. Should do more walks before streams, write it down. I can't normally though. I don't have time. Not enough time in the day, you know? I'm shocked. You actually touch grass? What do you mean I actually touch grass? You know I go outside, like, a lot, right? Look, I leave my house, by the way. Sorry, is that, like, offensive to you guys if I leave my house? I will do it again, like, I have to, but, like... I'll try to show remorse, but, like, it won't come out, but I can pretend a little, just for you. Just for you, I can pretend. No. Yeah, don't leave the house. I've got places to be. Okay? I have places to be. Back to the Wizzy Kitchen? Yes, but you know, I'm also to the store, you know? Otherwise, you starve. You starve when you don't go to the store. It's a problem. Then there's no food. There's no food, there's no utilities, there's no services, there's no goods. And you know, I like to purchase goods and items, you know? Ones like food and shelter and, Diet Coke, you know? They're real pretty good in my hand. I don't know if you guys can relate, though. Animal Crossing over is a certain cutesy element which steps it apart from The Sims, which is a Stacy or Normie peanut game. No! Everyone I know who plays Animal Crossing also plays The Sims and vice versa. It's pretty much like something everyone has played. I don't know. Maybe it's like... I've played both. I feel like every girl's played both. Like it's just not hard. No construction workers are supposed to be mafia. Is this a mafia stream? Yeah. See, I'm Kalina, and but don't tell anyone, okay? Okay, don't tell anyone. I'm gonna say I'm Town. I'm gonna say I'm actually. I'm actually Doctor. Okay, back me up. Back me up. Hi, Mary. Shout to me. What kind of game are you gonna develop? I don't know. I thought, what if we think about it together? What kind of game do we hacking develop? We can be real gamers. Let's crowdsource it. Yeah, to be honest, ever played Neopets back in the day? Yeah, I feel like it was like just popular. YouTube comments at the bottom of the screen good where they belong. What the hell? It can be real Fortnite gamers, yeah. #1 victory, Maria. Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. Get down! Moving on the board right now. You have Dalai Tomato Town. Oh! Waka 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 boing boom. Is she just lying now? We know she orders stuff online and handles all the bills online too. I don't order food online, though. I don't really, like... I don't see the point in, like, shopping online. Unless it's, like, it's for, like, food and stuff like that. I don't see the point. You only sucker to get stuck with a no-show job? I think all jobs might be no-show, usually. Normally. No, big economy demand. Mahjong? No. Thanks. I don't even know how the fuck you'd make that. Get it delivered? No! You have to order loads of food to get it delivered. And I spend like, maybe like... £20 a week max on food normally. Is so not worth it. Just order a game, QB. A video? You can order video games? Real? Real and true? No way. No way, fatty. Yeah, sorry, I'm a big fat bastard. Way. Your glasses, sure, thank you. Chili greasing the wheels of macroeconomics. Well, what can I say? Call me the invisible hand, I guess. How do you think the world will look like in the post-industrial, post-oil world? I don't know. What will America do with no oil? I thought they needed that. What about Nintendogs? What about Nintendogs? I can't say anything on Nintendogs. I've never had Nintendogs. I feel like pet games used to be pretty popular, but I never had Nintendogs. You're gonna make a dating sim? Shall we do this in Rempy? No, Rempy sucks. Is that controversial? Is this a safe space? Rempy's dog shit. Okay, it does its purpose, but like, if you can make something, you should... Like, if you know, like, the first thing about how to do, like, I don't know, a for loop, I need you to uninstall Rempy and, like, download a real engine, okay? I'm sorry. But, like, Rempy is the coward's way out. It's the easy route. It's so, like... I don't know. It's just, like, really clunky. It's clunky and it doesn't run very well. No real engine scary. You throw out hot takes left and right. Well, at least I know my directions, right? What can I say? Hi, Coit. Did someone say Mahjong? No, take your match. Nobody said that. You know, I was thinking about going to sleep, then you stream. Sorry. My bad, my bad. But I wanted to stream. Develop an era dating sim game that's focused on different types of autistic girls. The hidden agenda is to promote the cultural perception that autistic girls are peak sexy. Why did you promote the truth? That's just facts and knowledge. There's a godot plugin that works 100,000 times better than Rempy. Yeah, it's dialogic, right? I used it for the game I made for April Fools. Are you on UK time, silly? What about your sleep? It's only like 10 PM. It's fine. It's all good. It's only 10. And it's like the weekend tomorrow, so I don't have to get up. Like, Kiwi loves education games. So we make an education game. I can teach you guys how to count. 20 pounds of barley. What's barley again? What's barley? I don't know what it is. I mean, I do like in plant form, but what actually has barley in? Oil is still used to produce plastics. Yes, it is. But I would simply make everything out of cardboard, you know, like the McDonald's toys that are made of like cardboard now. Using GD script or C#, I have the Steam version of Godot, which I don't think allows C#, right? I don't know. I might have to download standalone Godot to do that. Unless I like... Wait. I'm gonna check my project settings on this. Although I don't... I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the version I downloaded... Yeah, Godot is on Steam. I think a bunch of engines are on Steam, right? I might have to download the other version, but I don't think that's a problem with using GD script, right? It's kind of like, I mean, it's common sense. All languages are the same at the base level anyway. I thought it would have both out of the box. No, you have to download a specific version. Do you think it'll... I just tried to Google Godot, but I mixed up the D and the G. Fuck. Okay, it came up anyway. Do you think it'll bottleneck my stream if I download the .NET version? I don't know if I'll need it though. Like, yeah, Doggo got. It's more like ordering people in the full world to make a game for you in exchange for $1. Yeah, I love getting my software and game development services off Fiverr, and then I complain when I hook it up to the cloud and my Google Cloud version is suddenly £10,000 overnight. I wonder how that happened. Hi Yumi! Thank you QB for outsourcing your game development for 10p and a bag of life to me. You're welcome, Queen. You're so welcome. I can chuck in some Haribos for that too if you do a really good job, like as a tip. When I want C++, should I do it? Yeah. If you want to do like Unreal, then yeah. If you have like a reason. C++ is good for like, yeah, Unreal and stuff. And if you like... But I don't know too much about Unreal if I'm honest, because I don't care about it. Oil is embedded into everything in the economy. It's not embedded in me. Actually, yeah, it probably is. I have microplastics inside me, and also normal-sized plastics too. Give us a night creature, she dies in the sun. No, I'm immune. I'm stronger. What if the game is to bake 6 million cookies over 5 years, but you only have 4 ovens and it takes an hour to bake a cookie? It's like a really shit version of Cookie Clicker. Do you know what? Can I make like a note? If I make like... I don't have anything for markup, so I guess I just get Notepad up. And then... everything will go inside that. It's perfect. My plan is simply perfect. I've never seen a single issue with it. I might be a genius if I say so myself, except... Holy fuck, you cannot window capture Godot. It looks shit. I mean, not Godot, I mean Notepad. What the hell? I need to find something else. Slowly regressing to Dofu one microplastic at a time. Yeah. Do you buy food from the store? Yeah, the food comes on diesel trucks. No, I farm it myself. I'm a bit of a self-made entrepreneur, if you ask me. It's all done from scratch. I've not de-bloated my windows, and I'm just seeing like all the random shit in like my thingy bar when I was trying to find for something to like write in. I might just do it on OBS. I can't lie. Like, I might just... Hang on. I've run out of ways. We're doing it this way. I can't think of another way. Ooh, what happened now? I don't know. Yeah, no tutorial, sorry. I gotta think of a game to make. Go with the glasses and the hard hat. You're perfect for throwing in a... Huh? That's weird. Look me in the eyes. How would you feel if somebody picked you up, they threw you at the wall, and they weren't even sorry about it? Like, they didn't even feel any remorse. How would that make you feel? I want to be able to code in Unreal and do things, and yeah, learn C++. I always think, like, don't learn something unless you actually have a reason. If you have a reason, it's perfectly valid. He deserves extra chives in our lunch bowl. What the hell is a chive? Is that a hub? Are they hot? I don't know. I don't really think this far ahead in my imaginary scenario, you know? What about VTubing? What is my purpose? To be a very sexy lady with small breasts, but that's okay. That's actually ideal. And sorry, is that objectifying? Sorry, I don't mean to objectify women. It just happens, like by accident. Black cooking process, please be patient with that. A chive is a type of onion? Oh. Oh yeah, because you can get it in like sandwich spreads, right? Like chive sandwich spread. You have the spirit of a geezer in your heart. Now go forth and buy your new build pass. That is so true. Oh man, I'm a true geezer. I love me pints. I love wolf whistling at the birds. Love pub, simple as. Maybe it should be a geezer game. Okay, I need ideas, chat. And you all bring ideas, people, okay? You can be the ideas, people. I make the game, okay? This is meant to be... You're meant to have the good role in this. And you're just not doing a good job. And it's like, I should fire you. You know what? I should fire you. Video... Gaming. Number 1. Gears game. Oh, fucking hell, this text is too big. Bloody hell, that's some fat text. There we go. There we go. Oh, okay, number 2. Tower... Defense. Game about being a D and doing nothing, hold down the piece. That's not a game. That's not a video game. How do I make that? Oh, true. Number 3, Major. Copyright infringement. There we go. Can't fire me if I fire you first. This is my stream. Oh, you call them match free? Oh, true. I mean match free. You don't have to manage like board ridiculous. So like, management sim, like neat management sim. What kind of idle game? Joby. What's grand strategy? I don't know if I could do that because I don't know what that is. Oh, true. Number go up. Woo! My favorite. Oh, frick! We're running out of space. Hang on. Let's shrink that. Get a little skinny here, please, girl. A little skinny. Go on a diet. Oh my gosh. Like taking a... Okay. Civ 7 for number 7. What's WarioWare? Is that like Mario Party? Text is so white. Wait, should I make a different color? Green. There you go. It's green. Racing. Video game. I actually don't know how to make half these things. The series of short mini games. It looks horrible. I don't know if blue is gonna look any better. Like, look at that, y'all. Like, blue does not look better. Okay. Number 9. Dating sim. Unionized. Let's make another indie slumber platformer. Oh, true. I love indie platformers. Woohoo! Slumber. Make flavor of the month. You can't just say make flavor of the month. Can you guys give me easy ideas? This isn't godot. Like, you have to give me something easy. Thanks. I'm not letting up for real. Are you a little object? Ones and zeros? No. Look at my beautiful flesh before you. Isn't it stunning and real? I can't think of anything better, honestly. Probably... I want to look. Thank you for the gifted sub. Can you make anything with multiplayer? No, I can't implement multiplayer. Choose a better... Yeah, this fool. I'm not making anything really hard. Implementing multiplayer is really difficult. And basically, I don't want to do it. Oh wait, I like Doodle Jump. Doodle Jump's fun. QB game is dead on arrival. Look at this feature creep. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Mini, you have to stop giving me like games that aren't complex, okay? If you say that QB make really complex game that requires years in development, fuck off, okay? Not happening. Too hard. Not the tongue. Hi, Elton. Big silk snow. Hi, Chris. Can you build me a girlfriend? I think that might be number 9. Not sure though. Noah King is cancer? Yeah, it's horrible. Build a girlfriend game or options are just kidding me. 11 depression story? Depression story? When Sing no strong streamer, sorry, no silk song, sorry. Simple number guessing game tutorial, yeah, let's make a calculator. That's number guessing. Kilby, please make me a very complex game that will take years to develop. No, Queen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Hi, Falcon. Hear me out, balloons, TD6 plus vans. Oh my god, yeah, maybe Corrido too? I wish they put Corrido in Blast Blue, you know? Yes, finally I can afford it. 8 years in development, baby. Can we get 1 stream in development? Thank you. You get a single stream. Well, Flex, thank you for the gift of song. You want something Jamie for practice? Blackjack is a pretty good afternoon project. Yeah, I like have touched godot once in my life. I don't want to make anything complex. Maybe like a card game is good. Maybe we do card gaming. Like anything that's really complex I can't do because I've genuinely spent like maybe a total of like 5 hours in this engine. Please make an entire mod. I'm sure there'll be no issues at all. Are mods normally meant to be in the terminal? You know? Make a casita again, roulette baby. Let's go. Let's go. I love gambling. Oh shit, true. Should I make battle taps too? Yeah, I'll make a tabletop game. I want to make battle taps number 2. Hey, Mr. Streamer, have you heard of this cool game? Kinda niche. Blocks fall from the top of the stream and you have to kind of make alliance with them. I think it starts with a T though, so it might not be the jam this month. No, I don't know. Is that in Fortnite? Sorry, I haven't heard of it. I'll get ding 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 sound effects. Yeah, can we make gambling games on Twitch? A Bible trivia game? Hell yeah. Mahjong Spirit. Holy crap. Maybe Tamagotchi like... Oh wait, Tamagotchi like game could be cute. Like Tamagotchi is like management sim, right? But like it's a pet sim. It's a pet sim, isn't it? More like... I'm realizing I've run out of space on my screen. Hang on. There we go. Get smaller, please. Should make a vote, but when you beat another player, you sodomize them. What? Please do not do that. Think of their feelings. Think of who they are as a person. She hates me. Spreadsheet game like Victoria 2 orders. Love those big books with 200 DLCs. Do I look like Paradox Chia? I don't think so. My name's QV. Game when you make various circuits such as half-added... What? What's a half-adder? Tamagotchi, will we take care of a QV? Am I a pet? I can't be. I'm an independent VTuber, you know? Didn't Mr. FNAF stop making Christian games? I don't know. I never played FNAF. I played like one which was like 3D and I didn't get it, so okay, which one of these is this is too hard. So these are too hard. Which one of these looks easy? By the way, I don't know how to make anything but visual novels in Godot, so like I have to Google it. Like I have no idea. I didn't Google anything before stream. Do we number go off or do we card game? I think I could do both of those. Or I could do the pet one, but that's a little harder because I would have to figure out how you store variables. Anything with lots of movement and positionals and what's it called? Barriers, but not barriers. Collision points. Collision points sounds hard though. This really popular video game handheld called a calculator. Maybe you could try make one. Oh, of course. Let me go buy a Raspberry Pi right now. Gambling probably has the lowest passive value. You could just let's go gambling. Do we make a card game? Or I can make idle game. I think I could do an idle game, but it won't be an idle. I mean, you leave the game open and then the number goes up. Holy shit. I think that's like a console where you put games on the calculator. I think it could be. It could be, you know. It really could be, but I'm not quite sure. Oh, idle game like no, sorry, they're shut down. You can't make idle games anymore. You can't even make idle games. Can we make gambling cookie clicker? How would that work? Is it possible? Adventure Capitalist was probably surprisingly difficult to make. I think so. I'm trying to think of how you would do it. You would have to have something to track the total. Should we fuck with it? Shall I see what... Like, shall we look at making an idle game? I want to see how to do number go up, actually. Yeah, like it's variable amounts. I wanna see. I can switch. I don't have the first, like, idea of how to do that. Do I do it in GD script, though? I don't have C# installed right now, but I could download it. Like GD script or C#? Which one? She's gonna remake what's Reggio? Malvarajo. I'm gonna leave and make a QB casino game in this way. Okay, casino next, but let me do number go up first, please. Please, I'm new to Godot. Do it in C++. I don't think that's an option. Malvarajo was the RuneScape idle game? Oh. My body implements random number generators and other cryptography stuff, which sounds includes big numbers. It sounds nightmarish sometimes. Well, it's like, you know, I'll burn that bridge when I get to it, right? Right? I'm gonna load it up and we're gonna stare at Godot until I go, okay, let's do this. So hi, CC. Just use GD script. Yeah, I think it's easier to understand things if I stick to the default language, right? Okay. That random is good enough? True. Okay. Okay, let's leave a list. We're making number go up game. Let me go switch to my Godot scene. Where is it? Where's Godot? Doko. Extreme dark psychology writing random mechanics. Yeah, the random mechanic is your game crashes randomly. It's really dark and evil. I don't know if you guys are ready for what I'm coming up with. This is real new. This is real gaming, if I say so myself. King. Okay. First of all, thank you for the follow. Hello, Kiyomi. Where's the dog going? It's about to go. Hi, doggo. Okay. Hello, my fellow construction workers. Welcome to your first day on site. Today, We will be building an house. Melvin Buddy, thank you for the fall. How Mrs. Function Constructor? Hello! Hello. Yeah, you have to look at Mr. Cinema because, I never actually checked what gets put in that term in the output log there. You kiss I fell a little bit. Really digs deep into the gamer's psyche, inflicting new levels of psychological surreal survival horror never before seen. Holy shit, true. Like that you left the error category. Yeah, you can see my errors. It's like I'm a really kind god, okay? You get to see like that there's no errors because I haven't done anything. I think number one, we make a script, right? So we're gonna do it in 2D. If its number go up, I think we need to make the default node. I actually don't, yeah, you have to have your root node, right? And then from the root node, I'm gonna go find, I don't know, I'm gonna go find something. We're gonna go find something. That's the answer. I don't think you can see this pop-up menu, can you? I'm assuming you can't, but I'm also not going to desktop capture because I have an IQ over 20. So, you have to live not being able to see it, sorry. All I'm doing is scrolling. Anyway. Okay, I think I have to go find a control node, actually. There's like so many nodes in this, and I'm not gonna lie, the way they explain nodes is very weird. Like, it makes sense, but the way UI containers work is weird. Like, why is a UI container? Like, some of these things are like, they have no real discernible difference, at least on the surface. There's probably something down below, but I don't care about that. That's not my problem. If something is different in the code, do I look like I care if it looks the same when I put it down? The answer is no. It's all the same, really. It's like when you buy like off-brand Diet Coke, it's all the same. It's basically Coke. They taste close enough. If it feels like Coke when I drink it, I don't care if it's not the same thing, you know? They'll kill me. What if the code is slower? Oh, no. What will I do if my video game doesn't take 0.5 milliseconds to open? It might be over for me, chat. What am I gonna do? I could put a canvas in, and that's for independent rendering within a 2D scene, which I think is good if you're only using UI. I'm not sure though. They have a weird way of doing it. Is there why we need 5080 Ti to run 2D games? Wait, I'm gonna Google it actually. Let's go. You can't see. You're not allowed, sorry. This is for the cool kids only, aka me. But I'm gonna go DuckDuckGo. And I'm gonna go node to use for what would I call this? UI only game. Take control of your personal data. Fuck off. Okay, Reddit. Okay. My fellow Redditors, thank you. Thank you for your insightful knowledge. They're saying... Do you know what they're saying? Saying a lot of shit. They're saying... Use container nodes. Okay. And they're saying... He's saying a bunch of shit I don't care about. He's saying use a control node. They keep yapping. Like, you could answer this in like one word. Like, stop yapping, bro. There's no notes you need to use. That's not the fucking question, you cunt. Just tell me what's best, you dickhead. Okay. Container. Okay, container means I don't have to put it fixed. Okay. So I'll just look in the container then. Naruhodo. Kiwi is actually a Redditor. I just googled it, okay? Godot 4 UI tutorial. Yeah, game development is not a freaking game, it's a serious freaking business. Oh, hi, just hi, Ludicrous. Reddit was a necessary, okay? It was a necessary part of what we're doing, okay? I have to go find the... What the fuck did they actually say? They had said... I think I have to get rid of this. Get out. We want this. We want user interface. And we go into the control nodes. And use V-Bucks? I don't know if I need that yet though. Like, I don't care about ordering my stuff yet. I just want a sprite. Like, I want to be able to have something to script and something to hold text. I guess I could put a container in, but I don't know where I'm putting stuff yet. Which is like the problem, right? There's text editors, but I don't want that. I might have to Google it again. Where the fuck is the shit I need? Oh, I found label. I think I found it. I think I found it. Text. So the default text in this is... Bloody hell, where is it? Can you get a bit bigger, please? Is video... Oh no. Video game. Excellent. Excellent. So this is my video game. Sorry, Kiwi. Godot is too mainstream for me. Prefer to use Quick Free Arena with Vulkan because I hate making progress. That is so stunning and brave of you. Wowie. I admire your vision. Thank you. It's looking excellent so far. You look in the chat though that we can't see. Yeah, you're not able to see it, but it doesn't really matter. Like, you could see it after I add it. There's no way of me showing it other than capturing my desktop, which I'm not about to do. Hi, Kenny. Blue Game Engine spotted? Yeah. Are you a builder? Because you come in handy for me. Hi, Dan. But yeah, okay, here's my video game. TV, I'm not sure this video game will go over with the modern audience. No, it'll... What? You mean... They don't like video game? What's wrong with video game? I thought everyone loved video games and video gaming. Yeah, my life is like a video game. Working hard to beat the stage. Oh, I am still collecting coins. You know, I know. It's in excellent development, okay? So let's go back. Video game. And I'm gonna add a script here. And I don't think you can see this again, but I'm gonna call it... Well, there's only one scene so far. And I feel like I can have everything as a main controller. So, I think I just called this... I don't know. Because I don't know what I'm controlling yet. I suppose there'll be different things for characters and stuff. But as a main thing, let's just say... You know what? I can change it later if I want to. Let's just call it game controller. I don't know what else to have yet. We make game controller. I'm sorry, Kiyomi. The game has too much gameplay. The money and audience is about movies with quick time events. Look, I'm sorry. I'll do better for you all. Next time, less gameplay. I'm sorry, more movie. Can you make sure your gear is silvery surfer at the side? I need to stay engaged. I'll try, but that might be copyright infringement. But I'll try my best for you. Okay, so I'm gonna make a controller, and I'm trying to think of how we do this. Hi, Stato. Yeah, godot. So what we're gonna need is what's the comments in this? It's okay. Is it hashtag? Okay, it's hashtag. So what we're gonna need is we're gonna need the main number, right? The main number variable. And we're gonna need things that affect number variable. This is all very good, excellent language, by the way. And this is all perfect technical language. We need a number, and we need things that make number go up. Yes, these are the two things we need. Things that make number go up. Things to trigger things that make number go up. Am I missing anything here? I think this is everything you need in a video game, really. Like, what else could you want? A little jargon heavy, don't you think? We need this to be an accessible stream. I'm sorry, I'll do better. So basically, what this means is it means number go up. And if you weren't aware what that is, it's when the number goes up. What if the number went down? Bad game. Thank you. This is the basis for all clicker games. Yeah, I'm like, it's so simple. I'm like, am I wrong? But no, that's pretty much it. What if someone requested a feature when the number goes down? That's what we call feature creep. Thank you. And I'm not a big fan of feature creep. Like, I think we should keep our feature creep down. We should keep our cost of living down. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's not overcomplicate things, okay? Okay, here we go. I forgot how to type in GD script. Hang on. Wait, duck go. I just need to like look at a couple lines and then I can start writing. GD script example. It's suddenly. I need. Okay, I found the references. This is fine. This is all I needed. I was looking at it and I was like, wait, hold on. What's actually going on here? Yeah, I can just use Vob. I was like, wait. I was like, is it Python-like? I guess it is Python-like, right? First, I don't know. It was like, I just completely forgot the syntax. It's pretty Python-like in my head. Okay, var. Yeah, var. Main number equals 0. I can't do that. You know, braces? Yeah, I feel weird without braces. Like Python stuff. But process data flow. Is that best in godot? I'm gonna believe you. Like I don't know yet without checking. Yeah, no semicolon. I'm sorry. I got rid of my semicolon. Hi, meaning. Literally already vibe coding. I'm vibe coding without AI. I'm just vibe coding and I completely forgot how the language works. What if we made a fork when number went down? I'm sorry, this isn't open source, this is private, okay? You have to forget what you see me write. What about positivity here? We're only going good. True! Okay, so what we're gonna do is I think I'm gonna connect that to this. which I don't remember how to do, by the way. Like I remember, of course I remember how to do that. Hang on. Duck do. Godot. How to assign variable to wait. Yeah, two text box. How do you connect things here? Because I know how to connect to sprites. But I don't think I had to do it with a text box yet. So sorry, I'm mentally backseating so high. It's okay, but I can't Google it. I know how to code, I just don't know Godot very well. She's still thinking with Java. Yeah, this is all rights reserved. This is copyright. This is copyright, okay? Okay, so I just Godot works by if you put a $sign in front of it, it connects it to the item. I mean the node item, whatever. The name of that, right? Yeah, I think I vaguely remember it when I had to do it like a couple weeks ago, but it's completely left my mind. Okay, yeah, that's fine then. I'm gonna rename this then to main number, and then I should probably have ready and stuff in this, but like I don't, and that's not my problem. Like ready can appear, like the ready function can be here whenever it wants to be. And it doesn't need to be right now, okay? I know it's in the class body. I don't care. I need to check the syntax to remember how you write the function. Okay, it's func. Func. Set number. Blah 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 blah. I can't do that. I keep wanting to put stuff in, and then it tells me off, and it's really annoying me. Hit function declaration syntax includes the words func or fr. Yeah, it's confusing. I'm stuck in an QB coding. When's leak code stream? Ha, this is a real leak code kid. Actually, thank you for the follow. Oh wait, is this how you declare a function? Okay, that's how you declare functions. What we say? Blah 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 blah. Number set. And then we make button. Let's add a button. Oh my god, that's beautiful. My video game button. Oh, where's it gone? You see that? Video. That's censoring me. That's censoring me. Video gaming. That's censoring me by making me sneeze. Okay, maybe I need a container now. Hang on. Container. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Video game Gone? Where textbooks go? Can you not do that in here? Sure you can. It's only a nerds thing. Fuck, what did it say on the submenu? Oh shit, okay. Okay, that's stupid. Unity better be things. There we go. Okay, my video game so far, this is perfect. This is perfect, okay? What are we thinking, chat? Would you play my video game? I would play my video game. I would play this and I would recommend it to all my friends. Every single one of them, all my friends would be playing. Let's go back to the script. Let's say bunk number go up. And then I need to rename this. Actually, let's just call it button for now. Because it isn't anything yet. Oh crap, I have to do this now, don't I? Container slash button. No wait, not slash. Not slash. Not slash. It is not slash. Equals. I was just thinking, well, how do you connect the button? But I think you can do that in the UI, right? You can do that in the UI. I simply say... Wait, I'm thinking. Hang on, I'm thinking. Hang on. Give me a second. Like, why have I put that there? Like, why have I put this in this function? Like, that doesn't go in this function. Why did I do that? Like, I don't know why I did that. Like, I read it and then I went, wait, what the fuck? Like, huh? Why did I do that? Like, I think I'm losing it. It inherits everything from above it, but like, that didn't need to go in that function, and I don't know why I put it in that function, basically. So basically, what I'm gonna do is... Let's do, like... What should the number go up? Does she want it to inherit from the box check? No. I'm not messing with that. I mean, it takes its attributes, right? I suppose that's not quite inheritance, so... But it's controlled by it. I don't know what to call this. Let's call this... I don't know. What the fuck do we call this? Extends as inheritance? Yeah, extends as inheritance, but like, how does that work in godot? Because godot is a fucking UI mostly. Like, all game engines like UI. Like, it would be extends as something normal. But like, I don't know how it works when it's a bunch of UI elements, basically. Instead of like, text. I'm really stuck because I don't know what to call my variable, and it's really annoying me. Like, this is really important. I don't know. But a number change. It doesn't work as a name, and it's pissing me off. Like, it doesn't make sense. It's okay. You don't need to backseat me on everything. I can code. I swear. It's okay. I'll ask if I need help. I was just stuck on the variable name. What am I creating? I'm creating Cookie Clicker 2. But yeah, we're gonna set this to 5, okay? And then I'm just gonna do... I'm just gonna do main number. Oops. Oh, wait, yeah. Actually, this doesn't... I don't need this. But this feels like really bad practice to have this here. Hey, Kiyomi, did you know all code is basically just a bunch of if-else's? That is so true. Yeah, my favorite game is Yandere Simulator, by the way. Big fan. Big fan. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I sure wish there was a better way to do this. Instead of all these if-else statements. Ugh. Ugh. Yay. Hi, Novell. We still have seen some shimmer yet. Some people are like... I don't know. Weird with it, right? Okay, what do I want to do next? I'm thinking... Oh yeah, true, the fucking if even if odds, but wasn't that like... Wasn't that... a prank? Yeah, I was staring at this because I was like, it's this way round. I was like, I swear it's the other way around, but I was like second guessing myself for a second. I swear that was a ship post. It was a ship post. It has to be. Okay, there we go. So this triggers, this goes up, this says. I think that's basically it, to be honest. Oh yeah, true. I don't set the number anyway. Whoopsies. And I should do ready equals voids. Set number. Go back, bitch. Man, this guys, this woman coded 18. What? I would never do that. What the hell? It's also one where it was like, if true, return false. No, I think that was a different ship post, right? Wish I knew the code so I could smugly jump judge you. I don't know how you judge this. I'm sure I'm not doing things efficiently, but like game engines are stupid. And a lot of the things in them just doesn't make sense, like inherently, I think. Tell her to stop making code that looks like it's from a bootcamp programming tutorial. I am making my number go up clicker. What more do you want? What more could you be asking for here? Where the fuck's the play button? Oh shit, Gabe. Can you see this? I don't think you can see this. I'm gonna have to switch scenes. Okay, so there is no game. Hang on. What's your problem, bitch? Shut the... Invalid access to property or key VBucks container on base subject of type null instance. Shut the fuck up! Do I look like I give a shit? Anyway, I forgot. Basically, when I was updating this to say it came after the container, I put the container there for some reason. I don't know why I did that. That doesn't make sense. I'm fucking... Why did I do that? Excuse me, Mr. Right, do you use? Does it have squiggly lines? Yeah, it's where are my squiggly lines? I had to go find a line. Credible mistake, Mr. Streamer, thank you. I'm actually in awe of it. Like, how did I do that? Pretty impressive. But thinking sounds better than a ramen. What you think? I swear to your scoop. It wasn't even scoop. I don't know how I did that. Hi, Puff Dino. No, see, like, because when you did this, I thought that godot needed you to get every method from all the way up the tree. Oh, no. I just put it in the wrong place, and then I was like... Oh yeah, sure you should put... I don't know why I did that. To be honest, it's 10 PM. You can't blame me, but like... That didn't make any sense. Like, I'm trying to figure out why I did it. The answer is, I don't know. I think there's another error, okay. So you're gonna blame me? What the hell? The name incorrect now? No, the name is... The name is correct. Its problem now is, Let me just remove this so you can see my debugger. Is invalid assignment a property or key text if value of type in on a base? Do I look like I give a shit? So I can't... Don't backsheet me, by the way. If you backsheet me on this, I'm gonna destroy anyone who tries, by the way. I want to think about it. Like, value property or key is obviously... here, and this is... So I can't... do that maybe? Oh wait, yeah, I need to convert the into string. Whoopsie. It's not a string. Does it do the conversion for you? Yeah, I thought it would for some reason if I've said I want it assigned to a text box. I thought maybe big game dev would be, in a game engine, what else would you use this for? But I guess not. It's not hacking Pythonic enough. Yeah, I guess I expected too much of it. Like, I don't understand the language that you can do more in. But, guess no. What the hell? Like, can I do that? Okay, I can do that. To be honest, it completely slipped my vibe because I was just like, surely big game dev would do this for me. Hang on. Go to convert into string. What is it, bitch? Oh, okay, it's that way. This is ugly, by the way. If your language does it this way, your language is ugly. Look at it, this is ugly. Even C++ lets you do this. Yeah, like, I've seen languages where you can do this before. Like, you can auto-convert, especially when I'm initially using a var. I think this is godot problem. New chaining, PHP flashbacks. Yeah, it's gross. What the hell? Okay. Time to look at my video game. No. Hang on. I can't find it. Where is it? Where's my video game? Where's my... Hello? Where is... What is it? I have to switch so I don't accidentally dox like every single window I have open, by the way. Why won't it show? Oh, okay. I bet it's just not working with stream capture. I think I know the problem. I gotta go make a new capture real quick, a game capture, because it's like, this is it's a Lee hacking video game. It's a Lee hacking video game, you know? So you have to have the Lee video hacking video game capture. No, you can't do that with a busy video capture. What kind of freak are you? Have some fucking decorum, please. Okay. Need big scene? No, it was literally just a capture method. Put some screenshots, who believe it? Okay, here's my video game. Let's see. Oh my god! It doesn't work. Okay, what did I not think of? This is why you shouldn't write code when you're like tired, by the way. It doesn't fucking work. What did I forget to do? I put it the wrong way, bro. does it let me do that? Yeah, why does it let me do that? Is this part of really hacking Python lovers syntax? Like, this is actually really annoying because it lets you make so many mistakes you'd never want to make for like no fucking good reason. Like, there's no syntax control. User-friendly language, look inside, syntax errors at runtime. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Woohoo! My video game is complete. To the moon! Holy shit! Holy shit! Stock's going good. Yeah, they embedded a built-in game player, but it wasn't working for me when I clicked it. It just opens it in a new screen still for me. But then a modern JavaScript program would... Well, JavaScript fucking sucks. It lets you make too many syntax errors anyway. That sucks too. I really don't like this language. I wish I was doing this in, like, C#, by the way. Like, I want to... Please, like, please. I fucking hate GD script. Like, why does it just let me do this shit? I hate it. I hate it. Why? Why? This is not a good language. Why doesn't it just say, like, before runtime? Like, why would you want to do this? Like, hello? The save... Yeah, I could do it in C#. I already started writing it. It's not the best. It sucks. It sucks. It's bad. This is not good. You downloaded the Steam version? See, I thought it was fine until I ran into this shit where it just lets me do fucking equals plus one. Because, yeah, of course I want to do equals plus one. Yeah, of course that's not a syntax error. Like, fuck off. I'm half asleep and I want my IDE to tell me when I'm making a mistake so I don't have to proofread my code. Thank you. You know, Mr. Streamer, I don't think that number's going up fast enough. Maybe you should give a bonus every 10 clicks? Holy shit, true. Does it let you plus? I mean, it probably does let you plus, right? It's pronounced she. Shut up. Crying about it. I'm just sorry for anyone who has to deal with this on a regular basis, honestly. Use Rust? No. Rust sucks. Oh, look at Rust. It's such a good language. Oh, no. No memory leak here, sir. Fuck off. Yeah, I was gonna say, if it lets me plus equals, it's gonna let me do a bunch of weird shit. It doesn't let you play. What the fuck is this language? This code is pure good. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Plus equals... You see? Plus equals works. But if you let me do equals plus, you should let me do plus too. Hi, shut up. What are we making? We're making number go up. Hi, shut up. This code is pure gold. Isn't it excellent? Isn't it perfect? What can I say? I'm a video game crafter. What next? What else do you need in a number go up game? What else are we putting in? Is QB Java JavaScript build? Do I check my parents? The answer is no. Let's think of what the answer to my JavaScript build is. The answer is fucking no. Fuck JavaScript. Shit language. Not boobs. Can we go mechanics, please? Not anime ladies with boobs, thank you. And dings that no sound effects. Hi, Grim. Anime ladies dressed as mechanics. Holy shit. Why would you go to pipe? Piping is fucking dog shit. Make passive number go generate. Ah, true. True. And then raise some enemy titties. I'm sleepy, so like my brain is going, wait, what is your video game? What is video game? So, okay, we'll need ticks, right? Hang on, I'm checking how ticks working, godot. I know. Oh fuck, Delta. Oh yeah. I forgot about that. I never really need to do anything that's tick based. When I'm fucking around in engines, so I kind of forgot. Cause you only need it if you're going like, No! No! Don't look at my 4070! Is Delta the best way to go around this? Why do you even care? I just cover it because I can. I don't care if you can see my 4070. Because don't games kind of get fucky if they lag it all when you go with Delta? Wait. I'm gonna look into it. Go to Delta... Cause I'm looking like, because I think there's also timer nodes, and I'm wondering if a timer node is a better way of going around it. They're between frames ticks? Yeah, but I'm wondering if... I mean, I'm given a timer node. I'm probably given a timer node for a reason, right? Okay, yeah, they're saying it works the same, where it just subtracts delta from a number variable. Okay, they're saying it works practically the same. I think... Okay. Timer node is how you would derive delta time? Yeah, I just was like... wondering if it was better, like, optimization within the engine, I guess. But at first, I think it's probably worse if you get, like, node overcreep. Because they're saying, but all the timer node is basically is this. It's gonna complain because I'm putting my variables there, but yeah, this is all it is. The cool GT170, yeah, you like that? Chesa, thank you for the gifted sub. But yeah, I think it's better if I handle it myself. That's all I wanted to check. It's better if I handle it, or I let the game use its built-in shit. How much did Microsoft play QB to promote C# and hate on other languages? I don't hate on other languages. I like C#, I like Java, I like C++. I fucking hate JavaScript and Python and every language that's remotely similar to them. How long has it been since you slept? Since this morning, I guess. Image generation stream? Never. Yeah, brace gag. I really hate tab-based syntax. It's really gross. It'd be pretty sad if passing it by far rate is significantly slower. Yeah, I think it's... probably do a process and feed it delta still. Yeah, it looks like process is just the way forward. Never use the timer nodes. What did they do to you? Okay, so yeah, I'll just do same thing as in here. Equals 10. What is... I was just trying to infer what that would be in the later part of the function, but I don't care enough to check. Blah 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 blah. Tick. Speed. And then... okay, so for every... oh, I haven't had to do this in so long. I gotta put 2 and 2 together. 5 feet. It like that. It's for Mr. Streamer? Huh? What's for? What is... what is... what is for? Hang on, I'm gonna look up the docs for this real quick, because even if in my head I know what to do, it's like in the context of godot, it's like I have to think like, what the fuck is like every single like built-in method called? And everyone's just like, I'm in for it, please. No, I'm okay, thank you. Godot docs, process, delta. Yeah, I'm doxing Mr. Godot. It's freaking over for him. Okay, I'm on... here. Oh, 2 and 2 together. Ah! I see. And the streamer doesn't get your job. Holy true. Can we genuine here for a second? It's awesome that you know this stuff. I mean, I guess, but it's not really difficult. I'm just inferring as I go along because I don't know how to do this. I'm just Googling. Consider yourself lucky that there's documentation because I have to infer if we use this without docs. I mean, it's okay to go through docs and a lot of stuff as long as it's something you're experienced in, right? There's actually a couple things in Godot that really piss me off because they weren't... Not in Godot, but in the plugin I used before, like nothing was very well documented. And I just had to do the thing where you like pray. You start typing and you pray you're correct. Anyways, I'm reading this for a second. Is there docs for your in-house library? Yeah, actually, do you have like... That sounds gross. But yeah, I hate when I like the plugin I had before was the I mean, it was documented, which I'm thankful for, but it freaking sucked. I think a lot of people really suck at documenting stuff. Every time I like load up like a plugin into like anything like Unity or Godot or whatever, it's like, holy shit, you guys suck at plugins. It's like, I think I did some like documentation. Like I think I did some stuff when I was working with like overlay stuff on Twitch, and I was like, holy shit, everyone sucks at fucking documenting how things work. Okay, game's running out of glue. Each thing needs to update the state of your game before joining it. Well, fucking yeah, I'd hope so. Good update, but you did good process or good check it first. Physics process. Idle processing allows you to run code that updates under every frame as often as possible. Physics processing happens at a fixed rate, 60 times per second by default. This is independent of your game's actual framework and keeps physics running smoothly. Right, okay. Yeah, idle is probably better than in this situation. You can now access the process section. You can set it back and on by calling node set process. I'm assuming it's turned on automatically though. Like I shouldn't need set process by default. I'm thinking. No, JS. TV Docs reading HMR. Yeah, sorry, I want to actually understand how this engine works. I haven't googled anything about its inner workings, so it gets kind of confusing. Right? By the way, GGScript has never supported multi-line comments, by the way. That's... what the fuck? Ew. People suck at documenting how things work because they don't have a real understanding of how that red shit works. Yeah. It's really annoying. Like, I really want to make a custom chat box for Twitch for my overlay. But, I can't find anyone who's really, like, explained how to do it. And it pisses me off. Like, I see people do it and I'm like, just tell me, man. I don't want to pay you. Is the source code available? I don't know the first thing about it because I googled and they were like, it's CSS. And I was like, yeah, it's CSS, but like... how does that work with the Twitch API, right? Like, I was like, I know how to write CSS. I know how to make a box. But like, it's the in-between between I couldn't work out. And there wasn't really anything that told me, like, where to do that. Joking just joking and shut the fuck up. Yeah, it was the API that fucked me up, because obviously you're interacting with the API somehow. Like somebody is, like something's happening here. But I don't know. Keep in mind that the frequency in which the engine code is processed depends on your application's framework, which varies across time and across devices. Blah, 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 blah. Function's delta parameter is the time elapsed in seconds, uses previous call. And process is called... Yeah, it's every frame, okay. A single which is following script. Wait, I wanna just like... I'm reading, but I'm not visualizing. I'm gonna steal this for a second. She's reading documentation that... Did you think I couldn't read? Did you think I never learned how to read? They taught me how to read in school, you know? Let's drop this for now. Oh my god, bitch, stop complaining. Can I make nothing happen? The matter of fact, it did see. I typoed, okay? I'm tired. I was sleepy. Wait, why did I put main num... Like, I keep putting everything in the wrong place. I'm sleepy. Your whiteboard webs? Why am I a whiteboard? What if I don't want to be a whiteboard? Have you ever considered that for me? Let's stop loud for a second. Okay, it's definitely... Okay. Okay, that makes sense. Why was I doing that again? It was... Why did I need the timer again? Like, I understand how it works now, but I forgot why I was doing that. Oh, there is an idle counter. Okay. Which means I also need to... There we go. I was gonna show it, but my godot appears to be broken, and it's like not able to actually show the game. Thanks, OBS. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, I got it. Okay, I had to just remake my game catcher. Oh, fuck, my phone died. Ah! Um, 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 my phone's charging. Okay, don't worry, okay, guys, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, okay? Okay, I forgot to put my phone on charge. Okay, it's fine. It's fine, look, it's beautiful, it's working. Yeah, I'm just PNG'd you for now, so congrats on your debut, Kyubi. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I put it. Spends a work day doing computer, fish comes up into him. You know what happened if your platform through? I went like John Godot ruin your phone like Sophia Stacy did. Yeah, thank you, thank you. It's my debut. Okay, so I guess what I do next is what else happens in number of games? What else happens? I'm doing it. I'm doing it. The number's going up. Like what else? What else can you be asking for here? The number is going up. The number has gone up. I buy things to make it go up more, but I forgot how the upgrades work. Like I'm thinking of like Adventure Capitalist. Is it just that it makes it go up faster? I guess so, right? What do we actually like? We need a theme, okay? The number go up game, it needs a theme to like name our upgrades. Cause right now, this is casual baby shit, okay? We need serious business. I'm harnessing my chi. It's serious business time. Soy milk. Have an auto clicker upgrade and a multiplier. Oh, the one that makes like. So the number go by itself. Yeah, that's the auto clicker, and the the multiplier would be like the buildings in Adventure Capitalist. Yeah, what is our game theme, chat? Help me. Help me. What would it be? I can't be calling it upgrade 1, upgrade 2. Think about the theme a little different. What? I'm putting myself into debt? I don't want to do that. Oh, Twitter, I think you need to build more monkey farms. No, sorry. I play Bloons, the real game. No banks, no foot. A Twitter engagement. Oh, true. I think Twitter engagement is good. Actually, the number is retweets. Okay. Okay, the number is retweets. So this button is called. What makes you get more retweets? Actually, no, it's gonna be followers. It's gonna be followers. Need to build more pilots. Yeah, chimps only, exactly. What makes you get more followers? Okay, sexy pictures. Sexy pictures. This is my video game. I have to retweet well, okay? Oh, I forgot my number's still going up. Let me get rid of that. we're cooking with gas. We got real shit now. We're gonna make another. We're gonna make another button. And we're gonna call this one Google Docs. Okay. Google Docs. And then what else makes you treat well? AI generate political kiss cards. Need bigger bit. Okay. Bigger bit. My phone turned on and then I opened VTube Studio and my phone turned off again. I need to... Oh fuck, my roommate just messaged me saying she's bringing people over. I hope it doesn't come through on stream. If it does, I'm running away, sorry. Can't have that in the background. Yeah, this time... Yeah. It's 5 and it means I'm gonna have to be quiet again. Okay, yeah. Well, cute animals? Yeah, would cute animals be good? I think cute animal posts. Cute animal posts. Okay, it needs random events can come later, okay? Upgrades first, okay? Our upgrades are more important. This is a serious video game. Oh shit, they're all connected to the same thing. No! Trend cryptic. What if there's a skill tree? This is feature creep. What did I say about feature creep? Because I don't believe saying that was okay. Okay? I don't believe I said we were allowed to do feature creep. I believe I said no feature creep allowed. No feature readers. No feature what the hell am I doing here, okay? None of that. None of that allowed. Every team needs a QB to tell you to fuck up when you have a new suggestion. It's just not allowed. I think if you come to me and I'm putting something in and you give me a new suggestion, you can fuck your way. I'm busy. I'm busy naming my buttons right now. My phone just turned off again. I didn't even do anything this time. My phone's refusing to turn on. It's over. I can never YouTube again. Yeah, that's normal creeping. Oh, we need to... This is our number. So... Sexy pictures... gives you... How much would it multiply? How much? I'm thinking... Wait, which button was that? That was button 1, okay. So, this is this one. Which is... The multiplier equals 0. And then we'll just do... You post a a very sexy picture, like a true VTweeter, it goes multiplier plus equals 1. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. How would I level my hero if I don't creep the jungle? None allowed. Can you call the multiplier Markiplier instead? No, you can't do that either. It's banned. It's banned. Wait, fuck, how does Delta work with multipliers now? Is it just basic? Can I just do it? Can I just multiply it? Because delta is constant, so if I just multiply it, then... yeah. To resist answering that, because I realized this was a Runa model. Yeah, I'm just thinking out loud. Instead of like, streamer, hacking data, streamer, streamer, no data around streamer. But yeah, I guess I just, multiplied delta equals delta times multiplier. If this is wrong, that's fine. It might be really stupid, but like... I don't fully understand how delta works. When I speak, it doesn't seem right. Like, I don't feel like I can manipulate delta like this. But I didn't Google it. Because delta is just the time since the last frame. A new variable every frame? Who cares? YOLO. I'll explain. Delta time is the unit of time that's passed since the last frame. The amount of time. Yeah, I'm just thinking, like, how do I... Yeah, okay, I'm right with that, okay. I'm just gonna think, like, what's the best way of doing this? Because... I don't feel like the way I've done it is right. But all I want to do is like... multiply the time, that's it, right? Like... I don't know, man. Let me look at it. Let me look at it doing what I'm doing, and then I'll figure it out. Like, I'm trying to, like, think about it figuratively, and... it's pissing me off. Like, if I see it happening... yeah, if I do it that way. Oh shit, Huh. So... if I put it in this way, like, time doesn't affect the main number until I first press the button. Which is strange, because it should be setting every number. I know what I would do if I, like, realistically figure it out. Yeah, it probably would be better if I did this on, like, a day where I can actually think. But, I'm not, so I gotta be really stupid for a second. Hi, Ravi. What type of game do you want to make? So the number goes up, basically. It just goes up. And then I'm like, wow. Wowee. I love it. I love it when the number goes up. That's so kawaii, does it now? Okay. Get away. I just... because delta is the base time. Like, the base gain on the number at this point, the way it's being used. And then... what am I doing wrong? I'm holding back until you figure out a solution. My brain stopped working. It's like, you gotta give me like 20 minutes to stare at it until it randomly clicks what I'm doing wrong. Do you know what I mean? Because, like... It's too late. Do you know what I mean? Like... yeah, it's like when I'm doing it on stream, like my brain turns off. My brain is turned off. What am I doing wrong? I don't know. The finished game is Jupiter Rover. No. No, please, no. I can't do it. I'm not ready. Like... What are you making, by the way? I'm making Adventure Capitalist, but you're a retweeter, okay? It's Adventure Capitalist, but you're a retweeter, and I know the upgrades will give you more Twitter followers, okay? Change your mindset, it's early morning. No, it's nighttime. I've been awake too long. Oh, my avatar's back. Awesome. There we go. I've been awake too long and it's hurting my brain. Cause it's like... This is a psychological hug. Yeah, true. Hi, Sakura. Astro Boy is ready to take off. Please accept the command. What does that mean? It's called Adventure Capitalist. They also have Adventure Communist. I just realized I'm multiplying it every frame. I'm sleepy, okay? I was like, I know it's something obvious, but I'm not seeing it. Yeah, what if it's a really good upgrade, by the way. To be honest, I've been doing this so many times, you have to expect it now. How can I... Because Delta's constantly changing, obviously. How do I multiply its base rate is what I'm... How do I do that? Unless I just have something that I feed into process. Delta isn't constantly changing? Oh no, it's just the time since the last frame. Whoops. Yeah. Don't know why I thought that. I guess because I see number go up and I go, wow, changing. Yeah, so I can probably just... Yeah, I can just feed Delta in then. That should be fine then. But I don't want to do it this way. I can't treat my multiplayer like that. I need to just be like... Yeah, multiplier equals 5. There you go. Chris, you ever played those RPGs where your bar fills up and you get the... No, I haven't. I don't think so, anyway. I don't think I've played anything like that. You're just hearing my 2 cents slightly backseaty. I don't know. I don't like backseating. Well, don't worry about it. That was stealth backseating. Well, it didn't work. Because I never played them. This isn't right either, but I need to think for a second. Shut up, bitch. Can I not do that in process? Loser. The multiplier is 5, then delta is delta times 5 every time. And that's like way too much. Maybe like 0.5. That point is not even a seed, it's one of those almost vertical things manipulation. Yeah. Should get one of those dividers they have in politicians' cars where the driver can shut off the passenger compartment with soundproof glass so they can talk about corruption or affairs or whatever. I don't know, do you guys want to talk about corruption? What kind of corruption is your favorite? Big fan of corruption myself, personally. Not a big fan of understanding how Delta works, however. You could just tell us shit a bit. I just think it's like kind of boring if I can't think. I don't know. Love game corruption where it gets so glitchy or true, and then they're like, this is a creepy pasta. So creepy. It's the creepiest pasta we've done. Okay, yeah, I'm like sleepy, so my brain refuses to process things until I like read the obvious and I go, oh fuck, oh shit, in the docs. The function's delta parameter is the time elapsed in seconds since the previous call to process. Yes. You want something that happens every 60 frames? You need delta to increment by 60? I don't get it. Because it's happening every frame. But delta isn't enough as a standard base number. No? Because the way I want it to be is it's... increases by 1 every frame by default. Multiply that. We process a delta to something, like it gets to 60, something happens and something goes back to 0. But I don't want it to go back to 0. Mm. Hmm. How to use Delta time? Yeah. How Delta time functions basically is what I'm figuring out. And the other problem is how Delta time's represented, because sometimes it's milliseconds, sometimes it's seconds. Yeah, what is it here? I mean, it's in a float, so I was assuming it's like this. Equals 0. Psh. Yeah, time passes plus equals. That should mean right now that it'll only go up by 1 every second, I'm hoping. That's not right. What the fuck is... Yeah. Oh, shit. Whoops. Hi, me. Do you like my hat? Is it cute? Is it cool and awesome? Is it sexy? I think it's sexy. I think it's real sexy if I say so myself. Oh, hell yeah. Sexiest hat ever. Okay, it's doing what I want now here. It's seconds? I mean, it's incrementing by 1 every second now. Yeah. I think this is a better start. If it's still in a photo, it'll most likely be seconds. Yeah, I've just done it by over 1. Which looks like I'm correct. Yeah, this is definitely incrementing 1 every second. Looks like that's right. Oh, Flex, thank you for the gift of sub. Which means now I've got it to increment by 1 every second. I just need to make it increment by 2 every second instead, I think, basically. It was confusing because it was going up by like too many numbers after the dot. What are they called again? I've completely forgotten the term. The numbers after the dot. What is yeah, significant figure. Yeah, I think. Yeah, there's too many decimal places. And it was hurting my brain to process. So hi there, man. Susie, thank you for the follow. But I think that's better. I can reasonably understand a bit better what I'm doing now. Which means at this point I just want to affect the count, right? Rather than delta, it's the count I affect. I think that makes sense. Because doing it by delta was weird, but I don't know. It's hard to think. because count is obviously blah 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 up here. Multiply time. Count. Can't go away. Why was I doing that? Count. And then wait, I'm gonna do boom 5. Onboard and press feed count in. Set multiplier to 5. Row multiply time with. To be honest, why am I feeding it through? It doesn't need to be fed through. It's not nested in anything. Multiply that and then I feel like I'm missing something. Ah shit, it's yeah, it resets. Okay, it only isn't multiplying it by time once. Why is it doing that? Why are you doing that? Oh, because count is plus equals to 1. Whoopsies! Tee-hee-hee-hee-hee. Tee-hee. 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 Hi, Frozen. Has anyone ever told you, Frozen? Has anyone ever told you that you look like QV? No. Why do you think anyone would say that to me? If you know me, like, I don't think you should be telling girls that. It's like, what if they get like self-conscious about it? You know, like, what if they're like, ugh. Really? Is that what everyone thinks about me? Ugh. Ugh. Yeah, why am I doing that? Shut up, bitch. Like, this is too many variables, and it's like really like shouldn't be like this, but like I'm too lazy to fix it right now. Like, there's a much better way of writing this, but I kind of thought about it as I went along. Yeah. But it's like, whatever. I can always rewrite stuff now I understand the logic behind it. Anyway. It works. I fixed it. I made it work. I'm a genius. You can all clap now. You can all clap. Everyone clap. Thank you. Everyone. This answer was really obvious, but I'm sleepy. I figured it out. Yippee! Julia Ferris, thank you for the phone. Hi, Hamburger. Kill me for join game. Yeah, you like? You like? You think there's too many variables? You'd probably think some of this shit I put together for. I mean, it's just really. There shouldn't be this many. But I was like. I'm too lazy to remove them while I'm doing it. Like, realistically, I don't need this. I can just... I mean, I guess it's fine for now. I'll think about it more later. I buy that game for $1. It's worth $10. Okay, this is a $10 video game. Don't get it freaking twisted, kid. This is serious business. I kind of don't know why I got so stuck on this, to be honest. I'm gonna blame it on that. It's really hard to think on your streaming. Delta is nice for timers because you can do time equals 1 and now it's 1 second. Easy to read. Yeah, I get it now. It's still a time thing. It's being unclear how it's represented. Yeah, it was screwing me up. But as soon as I went, yeah, let's limit it to 1. I was like, oh yeah, shit. Okay, it makes perfect sense now. It was really throwing me off. You seeing game prices nowadays? Make it 20 minimum. I think $30. $30 for my video game, okay? Would you buy? I would buy it. Okay, and then... what multiplier should everything be? Can tell you how I would have done it now since you did the 1 second per cycle solution? Yeah, you can say now. I just completely forgot to actually set a limit on how it cycles. But it was because even when reading the docs, I was like, what the fuck? How does it work? What the fuck? I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. I probably should have gone, oh yeah. It makes sense when I, like, because it goes over physics processing as well, which is 60 times per second. It should have clicked, but it didn't. I would have done total, is plus... Total equals total plus rate per second times delta. Oh, so like, just like how physics engines would do it? Oh, okay. So like, instead of setting it like I did on 33. I was thinking you probably want a variable for the rate if this is an auto-clicking type game. Yeah, I forgot. I forgot. I forgot about it. Teehee. Teehee. And this one, I don't know what numbers to put in. I'm just gonna put random stuff in. Instead of running into a per second update, just update it by the proportion of time that it's happened every frame. Yeah, because that's why I was confused by it, because I was like, yeah, I know it's time like frames passing. But in my head, I was like, I can't process what exactly is going on anything but a figurative level. But yeah, that makes sense. It's a mana match because it's not a physics engine, so you don't need smooth updates. Yeah, if I wanted to do it in physics anyway, though, I could just switch it to, from underscore process to underscore physics process. And I think that would have made sense, but I prefer the way I did it. Like, it makes more sense to me the way I did it. So does the way you've done it means someone running at a low refresh rate is at a disadvantage? Don't care. Get good. Yeah, it's frames. It probably should be seconds. I mean, it is I don't know. I mean, it's frames, but I have it limited to it being delta having to reach 1 first. So if it had no limiters, then maybe a higher gaming rate. I thought you. Why would I ban you? If I hypothetically it took them 2 seconds to process things, once they donate, trigger the increased ones for 2 seconds. If that's happening, maybe they should get a better computer. I don't know, like. Does the buttons have prices, or she can keep buying to upgrade said buttons in idle games? What is it like, upgrade said buttons? They don't have prices. So like, maybe I make like... Yeah, you have to spend money to make money? Give an exaggerated example, obviously it won't be that extreme. I mean, yeah, there's obviously gonna be edge cases, but the problem is, basically, the problem is I don't want to think about delta time any more than I have to. Both Wafflex and my solutions are like the Final Fantasy active time bar filling up for turn, but his is like the bar filling up faster based on that rate value, but mine is like the bar being shorter based on some value. This would... I don't really get the difference. I mean, I bet I probably would if I played a game that implements that, but I haven't. So, I don't know. Maybe it would be better, but... It's not processing because I've not seen it in action before. Oh, Jesus, thank you for the phone. QB, I forgot to tell you this, but I had a dream about you. You were your cousin and your cousin's dog came to my house. Your voice was way deeper IRL and you were cuter online, so to speak. What did this dream mean? I don't know because I'm not any different off stream. I think it means you're crazy and you should take your meds. I think that's what it means. But for good solutions, yeah, I think my solution is perfect and the best solution you could come up with, by the way. Let's make it so you have to lose things. I really need to stop putting all my variables here, but I can't. I can't stop. I'm gonna do it again. Yeah, don't let these insults pass. True. But I thought this was a bad number, girl. Why do we have to lose things? They never taught you in business class, kids. You gotta spend money to make money, okay? And we're right now we're fucking spending money to make money. Don't get it fucking twisted. Good Maxine Fox, thanks for the follow. I go to business class because I did real subjects, and that's why you ain't spending money to make money. That's right. That's why your stocks are deflating, mate. Okay. Welcome to QB business class of Hustlenomics 101. Okay. I'm so tired. I'm actually not processing how to write the code to do this right now. Hi, good morning. Maybe you should have an inflation rate based on the money and higher economics to reduce it. What? So, they can get a job? I don't know. I hit a milestone? Oh my god, am I finally 6 feet? Yippee! Okay, so I'm but impressed. The cost of this button is that I want to go to bed. That's what the cost is, okay? The cost is that I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy and I can't think, and we're making cost, and I'm putting it here, and I actually can't process what I'm writing. The cost is 10, and then the main number is main number minus 10. Yes. Yes. It is. I'm so sleepy. Decrease number, and then this one. Oh fuck. Yes. No. By the cost. Yes. And then I'm falling asleep. I'm falling asleep as I write this, like me. Okay, was I right? Who the fuck's a string? Hang on. I am so awake. I am so awake right now. Wait. What? Huh? Why is that unexpected? It doesn't make sense. Why? Because the dogs say I can do that the way I've done it, so why? Like, I just copied the dogs, man. Does it have to be like... What? I think I see what's happening, but I don't know whether docs think this is correct. Yeah, I copied this literally from GD script references. So I don't understand why it's there in the docs if I can't do it. Okay, so they're saying... This is how it's written in the docs, basically. But it's actually like this. Which is not how it's written on the reference sheet, by the way. What the fuck? Why would you write it like that if you can't do it like that? That doesn't... It doesn't make sense. Like... Just do class equals 0? No, I don't need to do that. I can just do this. But, basically the docs were wrong. Makes more sense to me because it looks like Python. Yeah, I don't like Python, and so I don't know it very well. But this looks disgusting to me. Might be outdated reference sheet. Maybe, but considering it's like Godot Engine 4.4 documentation official, I would like to believe... I would like to hope They upgraded. Ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT sucks. It's fine. Typing your variables is a good practice anyway. Yeah, I don't know why it doesn't just let me do... Like, I don't like the way it types them. Like, yeah, I don't know why they wrote it. It really confused me. So, hi, Youngster. I'm doing godot. Also, I was not okay. Do you know how it feels mentally when you do exactly what the dogs tell you and it's like syntax error and I wanna punch my wall? When is this game going good, Steve? I'm ready to play it tomorrow. Releases on Steam tomorrow. A sleepy variable that decreases your followers per second. You can buy coffee and stuff to minimize it. I could. I can't implement it right now because I'm so tired. I could. Can you paste the link to the dog? It's basically, I'll put it in chat. This is the line, which obviously makes me think, oh, the equals will go where it is normally, which I guess I put the equals after. But I would really appreciate it, yeah, if they showed me where the value goes when I'm declaring the variable, because it doesn't do a very good job. So I think it's fair to assume that I could put it on the other side. I'm not sure why in these docs they don't do that, because they declare values like several times in the reference docs, but not at any point where you're declaring variables. Which seems like it should be one of the most essential places to show you like how that links with things, but I guess not. Yeah, the colon equals things within the doc somewhere, but I forgot where. I don't know. Making me realize I don't like trailing type syntax as much as for it's not very intuitive. Oh wait, what the fuck? Why is whoops, oh shit, why am I doing that? Why are you assigning to the type? That's how it feels. Yeah, I typed it the way it makes sense because the docs don't show it well. Wait, I fucked up something here, but I'm so sleepy I can't think. But I want to fix it. But this shouldn't be string, but I'm so sleepy I feel kind of sick, so... Bleh. Gross. Yeah, I feel sick, fuck. shit, 2 seconds. Godot made me throw up. It made me sick. It made me throw up. Oh, what it did to me. Games are evil. I hate video games. Look what it did. You're gonna puke during stream. Give me a good clip. No, thankfully I can see it I can feel it coming, but I'm really dizzy now. I'm like, look what it did to me. I had to think about programming. And now I'm dying. Maybe the baby is red. I I'm pregnant. I'm Virgin Mary. Holy shit. Jesus is coming. Amen. Amen. God is so great. God is so great. Anyway, this was set to a string, but when I set it to a normal amount, this main number doesn't go up anymore. But now I'm like so dizzy I can't think. Stuck. And I don't know what to do. Because I was dizzy before, but I thought it was just because I was sleeping, but I'm realizing that maybe I was just sick the whole time. I should do a RuneScape, but I should just stream it. I don't mean to be an Angie, but it might be a good idea to do you hate me? Do you hate me? You hate my stream? You hate me? Wait, I need to figure this one out, okay? Just hang on. Just this one. I just have to figure this one out. And then it's fine. Nothing is printing. So basically, for some reason, my processing isn't happening anymore. But if I do this, it happens. And I don't understand. I hate you so much, I think you should go to bed. Why? Why am I being anxious? Why? It's definitely an interesting theme, but I don't think it should continue if it's detrimental to your current strictly fit state. No. Video games need me. I will destroy myself in video games. They need me. The video games, they need me. Surely she saw this for a rot. Wait, hang on. Fucking hello. Oh. So it worked. But basically I have realized I have realized something. So so basically forgot about that. I fixed it. So basically, I forgot that was meant to be a float. What's a problemo? What's a dilemma? A flow like how you flow through my mind. Not in like how you in your elite games. Holy crap. True emoji. We did it Reddit, look. Holy shit, we did it Reddit. My game is perfect. My game is revolution. I'm gonna be the next big indie dev. It's gonna be me. Yeah. Now this is video games. Holy shit. Holy shit. Now you're thinking with portals. Oh my god. Why is there a dot to follow your account? Maybe I set it to a float and it shouldn't be a float, but like, don't worry about it, okay? This is a true victory the game. The next Jonathan. She just says this is a breakthrough. She's gonna make a big indie dev. Big bucks is gonna happen. Oh me, by the way. Guys, I'm still dizzy. I'm scared at any moment I'm gonna have to like be on visual throw off again. What do I do? But you're just a real video gaming. When you see me in the newspapers, this was it, okay? This was my big break. I'm the #1 video game developer, okay? Okay, have you recouped the fluids you lost? Yes. Yes, I drank. I like you, you gotta push through it. Would never answer you until you should get so rushed down by. Oh, true. You ever stay and achieve a classic VTuber emotion of fun because stream while you sleep? I'm so dizzy that I could from falling out once that it's really hard for me to speak and think. So maybe I should read out. Cause my head is really light. I feel like I'm floating, and that's probably not a good programming advice. Do you know what I mean? Like, it feels like there's water in my brain, and the fishes are swimming through it. You know, they're swimming through my brain right now. Like, my head is fluid. Guys, who do I read? Sending half-fast and virtual hooks. That's stinky. Yeah, the fishes are going go through my brain. Through my brain. Oh, is Umi alive? Should I read Umi again? Where is she? A government little the schools of my bitch. But yeah, I go sleep. I won't let the government keep me down. They know I'm the next #1 game dev. I won't let them stop me. I won't let them hold me back. I'm stronger. Take your meds, take your sleep, inhale your OG, drink your water, the electrolytes. I don't have electrolytes, but I'll go to bed and hope I don't throw up again. Sorry I had to cut it short. I went and got sick on purpose, by the way, so I didn't have to stream. I'm trying to remember it. Flash, oh my god, I'm kidding, so... May you dream of electric sheep? Of course. Okay, Mr. Streamer, we know you got sick on purpose to get a break. Everyone needs a break. It was very considerate to come up with an excuse. Exactly. I'm glad you're so understanding. Thank you. By Waflex, by Nibbleburn, by Mappo, by Jintu, by Alright, by Zura, by Stato, by Thomas, by Youngster, by Potato. I can't do it. Bye bye, everyone. It's too hard. Bye bye.